Aesthetically pleasing, low latency at napakaganda for gaming. This is the CCA Phoenix Hi-Fi Gaming Earphones. So buksan natin yung box na to, napaka-premium. Andyan yung Phoenix. And as we open the box, yung bang parang tatambad sa'yo itong Phoenix na logo or Phoenix na photo graphics niya. Mulagay natin sa gilid and andito na yung products. This is the CCA Phoenix Hi-Fi Gaming Earphones. Pero bago yan, open muna natin ibang kasama sa box. So we have here the user manual. So dito lahat, the specifications and all. So it's in Chinese and may mga translation din po dyan. And we have this pouch, protective pouch. So nandito una, tatambad sa atin itong braided cable niya na color white. Actually, ito po ay 156 coarse braided cable. And we have here extra ear tips para sa size ng ears natin. Kung ano yung trip mo na size para kasya talaga sa ears. And yung cable na yan is detachable siya from the earbuds itself. And we have this headphone plug. Ayan. So 3.5mm headphone plug. Ito siya. Titingnan natin yan mamaya and puproceed tayo sa main event. Titingnan natin yung CCA Phoenix Hi-Fi Gaming Earphones and we have here, this is the silver variant. Napaka-premium ng look. Let's look at that closely. Reflective siya, silver. And sa kabilang side, merong CCA na pangalan and then the Phoenix on the other side. Napaka-premium niyang tingnan. So meron siyang 10mm dual magnetic high performance driver. So efficient ito. And it also features yung pinakabagong diaphragm nila ng CCA which is the LCP Performance Diaphragm. And kasama din dito is the 125cm high resolution braided silver plated cable. So ito ay kakabit na siya natin sa earbuds. Napakabilis lang nito, just a simple snap on. At hindi siya maluwag. So that would be very easy for us to attach it. So here you go. Here's the CCA Phoenix Hi-Fi Gaming Earphones. So far sa paggamit ko naman, balance yung sound at low latency siya. Ibig sabihin walang delay. It's a good gaming earphones but at the same time, ginagamit ko rin itong in-ear monitors while playing. Napakaganda ng quality ng sound, crisp. At hindi siya masyadong bassy pero nandyan yung bass. Napaka-portable niya at may kasama pa siyang bag that makes it easy for it to carry on. So yan lang. This is Rai. See you on the next one. Bye guys.